Okay, our next ingredient is some tofu, which is a key component to another jjigae called sundubu jjigae. Not so key here, but it's just got such a nice texture, and it's nice to add some protein into the stew if you're not going to eat it with meat or if you're vegetarian. So we're going to take this out of its package. I like to chop tofu so that it's in bite-sized pieces. So about 1/4 of an inch across. And turn it. And then we'll turn it again. And there, it's cubed. But it's really up to you. If you really love tofu, make it in as large a slab as you like. It will still absorb the flavors of the stew. Let's add that in. Okay,